Okay, if you've got a Zoom recording and you want to cut out the middle part, you're going to go to your Windows down here and you're going to go to Movie Maker. And Movie Maker is an M, so you just scroll down to M. You'll see this little icon that looks like a movie reel. Open up Movie Maker. It's going to give you a blank area, a little canvas here. You're just going to drag one of your files and drop them onto there. If they're already in your drive, you might have to download them, but if you still have them on your device, you could just open up your documents, your Zoom folder, and it should still be in whatever folder that it was from that date. But what you're going to do is this blue one, this little movie reel, you're just going to drag it from that folder right into here and drop it, and then it will pull up. Now, when it's on here, you can play it and listen to the whole thing that you have. You can pause it at the part that you don't want, and you're going to go to this edit. You're in the video tools and this edit. You're going to click on split. So if I click split right there, it's going to cut my reel. So if this is the beginning of the spot I don't want, now I can play it and be like, okay, that's where I don't want that part. So I'm going to split it again. So now you'll see I've got 1, 2, 3 sections to my movie. This middle part that highlights in blue when I go over it, and then you'll see that this big part goes in blue and then the front part. If this is what I don't want and I want to get rid of, I'm going to right click on it and then just click remove. And you'll notice now you just have this part and the blue, you have the two parts. That's it. When you're done cutting out the parts you don't want, you're just going to go to File and you're going to Save Movie. And on Save Movie, you're going to go to the top, recommended for this project. Because then that way, and then you could title it test cut, whatever you want to. I save it to my desktop because then that way if I put it into Drive or put it up on Seesaw, it's easy for me to pull from when I just pull it from my desktop. It'll take a moment to go through, then it'll beep saying it's all set. And then you can play your movie now if you want to. It'll let you give a chance to play it. But then you'll see that it is right here. It looks just like this, like a little movie reel. Okay, that's the quick and easy way to just cut out the section you don't want.